That's not only a profitable business, but it's also would be your favorite hobby. And now I can show you how to use the Instagram. At first, you should let's download Instagram application. Uh, well, I'll show you. It's a bit later on my smartphone. Then we pass the authorization, and here you are. You can start your own business. Now you can share your photos, tag people, add locations, and also make posts to other social networks. But that's a pity, of course, but you can't make posts to Одноклассники because Одноклассники is a Russian network. Meanwhile, Instagram is a worldwide known page application. So now, as you see, there are a lot of advantages of using Instagram. So good luck in using it.